Did Capcom lose its way? Actually, this is the Red Arremer series. As a leading character, did Capcom see sales potential? 1990, on Game Boy. Red Arremer, a Ghosts and Goblins side story. 1992, this time on Famicom, without releasing one, a direct sequel out of nowhere. Red Arremer II. 1993, on Game Boy, Ghosts and Goblins side story, The Demon Darkness. For some reason, not only the numbering, but even the Red Arremer brand name disappeared. Oh, there was a Ghosts and Goblins side story, so I bought it with high hopes, but I already owned the Famicom game Red Arremer II ported to Game Boy. How was I supposed to know? I felt cheated. Then in 1994, on Super Famicom, Demons Blazon, Ghosts and Goblins, the Crest chapter, it really should have been Red Arremer III. Brand consistency completely collapsed. As a result, despite being a good game, it sold terribly and became a premium-priced rarity. Unofficial, estimated Japan total about 26,000, according to one data source. Looking at the sequence, the series had gone nowhere, and Capcom tried to turn it around, but seemed to lose direction. Years later, an overseas developer proposed a Game Boy Advance port, but poor Super Famicom sales got it rejected. No new series titles followed. Rare, connected to fast-growing Kioxia. Toshiba made Mask ROM. This part has yellowed. Angel Uncle's flower water. Today is mid-July, sunny, apply it to the yellowed area. Leave it in sunlight and reapply every 30 minutes. Cleaned up nicely, isopropyl alcohol. Lubrication. Ultra-low speed setting. Magic powder, gently pump.
Oh, give more tea.
Degreasing. Soldering iron. Solder sucker. Wobble 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 wobble, pop. Gen Z tears. Zombie fluid. Apply as thinly as possible. Ijuan light.
Catch coach.
Magic potion. Rust protection and lubrication. $19.94. Slows further yellowing. Off you go to the future.
Bye, Munshin.